Display image as grayscale using matplotlib. I'm trying to display a grayscale image using matplotlib.pyplot.inshow. My problem is that the grayscale image is displayed as a color map. I need it to be grayscale because I want to draw on top of the image with color. I read in the image and convert to grayscale using pilsimage.open.convertl. Then I convert the image to a matrix so that I can easily do some image processing using. However, when I do, it displays the image using a color map, i.e. it's not grayscale. What am I doing wrong here?
The following code will load an image from a file image.png and will display it as grayscale. If you want to display the inverse grayscale, switch the clap to clap equals gray_r.
Try to use a grayscale color map. For example, something like. For a list of color maps, see this URL.
Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. You can also run once in your code. This will show the images in grayscale as default.
I would use the get_comp method. X
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.